So now let us see how we can use the fill tool inside of Snagit editor. So in order to use fill tool, what we can do is we can go to fill right over here, and then what we can do is go around, select the color that we want to fill with, and go around here and click the box that we want to fill. So simply that area will be highlighted, as you can see. You can also take the eyedropper tool and then use, let's say for example, something like a source of the color, and then go around and click it and fill it with the fill tool, just like this. You can change around the tolerance of the fill tool as well. So if you have low tolerance, that it only fills an area. If I were to increase out the tolerance, it fills out more area, as you can see right here. Suppose for example, if I were to click here, you can see that all the white spaces have been filled out. I can bring down the tolerance and then click it. You can see that less area is seen. Let me bring down the tolerance to just one value right here. Then only this area is there. So you can increase and decrease the tolerance to fill out simply some areas. So usually what happens is like you have something like this right over here. You can bring it onto the left side. If I were to go on to the fill tool, select a color, fill it, you can see that that is how it fills on a particular area, just like that. And you can change the color which is already existing. You want to change the look and feel of a screenshot, then this is an easy way to do so, although not perfect. So you can change the opacity of the fill tool as well. So let me just decrease down the opacity. So only some part is seen, just like that, as you can see. And there's the opacity. And of course, you can work around with the tolerance and the eyedropper tool, just like that. You can change around the basic style and everything else and choose around different colors as well, just like that. And that is how you can use the fill tool inside of Snagit editor. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.